इस देश में इंडेक्सेशन हटाकर हम इन्वेस्टर क्लास को डिसइंसेंटिवाइज कर रहे हैं इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए।
Removal of the indexation benefits on real estate capital gains. That's one of the most talked about announcements of the Union Budget 2024. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has attracted a lot of criticism on this issue from different quarters.
इंडेक्सेशन हटाना टैक्स लगाना नहीं है, इन्वेस्टर्स को पीनलाइज करने जैसा है। मैडम, मैं बताना चाहता हूं, इन्फ्लेशन रैवेजेस द वैल्यू ऑफ मनी। पैसे को खा जाता है इन्फ्लेशन, इसीलिए हम कॉस्ट ऑफ एक्विजिशन को इंडेक्स कर कैपिटल गेन टैक्स की कैलकुलेशन करते हैं।
So what has the finance minister announced and what does that mean for you? Let's break this down quickly. Long-term capital gains tax on real estate has been reduced from 20% to 12.5%. Also, indexation has been removed for properties purchased after April 2001. Now, what is indexation? Indexation means adjusting the purchase price of a property for inflation to reach its current market value. Every year, the government releases an indexation chart for this calculation. So how does it work? Let's say if you bought a property in 2001 for 100 rupees. Using the indexation chart, you will see that its inflation adjusted value in 2024 will be 363 rupees. Now to part 2. What does this mean for you? Here's an example that AAP MP Raghav Chadha shared in Parliament.
मैडम, फर्ज करिए कि 2001 में आपने 1 करोड़ रुपए का एक मकान खरीदा। वो मकान की दर 6% के हिसाब से बढ़ती गई उसकी वैल्यू, और आज वो मकान जो 1 करोड़ का आपने 2001 में खरीदा था, वो आज 4 करोड़ 17 लाख रुपए का हो गया। तो आपकी सेल प्राइस 4 करोड़ 17 लाख, लेकिन आपकी परचेज प्राइस, इन्फ्लेशन एडजस्टेड इंडेक्स्ड परचेज प्राइस 1 करोड़ नहीं, लगभग 3 करोड़ 60 लाख के आसपास आती है। यानी कि आपका सेल प्राइस माइनस परचेज प्राइस, जो प्रॉफिट ऑन सेल है, वो 54 लाख रुपए होता है। उस 54 लाख रुपए पर 20% के अकॉर्डिंग आप पे टैक्स लगता है। यानी कि इंडेक्सेशन वाले फॉर्मूले से आपको कुल टैक्स 10,80,000 रुपए देना पड़ता है। मैं राउंड ऑफ करके 11 लाख रुपए कहता हूं। लेकिन जो नई व्यवस्था है जिसमें इंडेक्सेशन आपसे छीन लिया गया है, उसमें सेल प्राइस 4 करोड़ 17 लाख, कॉस्ट प्राइस 1 करोड़, मुनाफा 3 करोड़ 17 लाख, उस पर 12.5% टैक्स, यानी कि टैक्स कुल मिलाकर आपका बनता है 39,62,000।
There you heard opposition leader Raghav Chadha, who is also a chartered accountant by profession, on how you may end up paying much higher tax amount after the withdrawal of the indexation benefit. However, there's a catch here. While Raghav Chadha is calculating the returns at 6% per annum, which is closer to the rate of inflation, the government claims that real estate returns are generally in the region of 12 to 16% per annum, much higher than the rate of inflation. Now, using this assumption, the Income Tax Department has shared a few examples showcasing tax benefits due to reduced rate despite the removal of the indexation benefits.
So we have done the calculations. I give you a hypothetical, number. If you look at, let's say if you think that the rate of return on property is 15% per annum, which is reasonable because people invest in property because it gives you good returns. If it's 15% per annum and you have indexation, let's say the indexation, we have checked the average. The average is 4.6% is the growth in the cost inflation index. Let's round it to 4 or 5, whatever you like. So let's say 15% minus 5 is what you are going to pay capital gains tax on in the existing regime, the old regime. 15 minus 5 is 10, 20% of 10 is 2. You pay 2 rupees. In the new regime, you will pay 12.5% of 15, which is 1.87. Which is lower than 2. So your tax is, in most scenarios, we have worked out that for probably 95% plus of people, this will actually be lower than it was in the 20%, because indexation is about 4 to 5%, whereas property grows at 10 to 15%.
So if you are one of those who have earned a high rate of return on your real estate investment, the chances are that your tax amount will be lower in the new regime. But in case your investment generated poor returns, you are likely to pay a higher tax amount now, as demonstrated by AAP leader Raghav Chadha. That's why some experts believe that the removal of the indexation will push investors to seek out properties that generate superior returns, beating inflation, so that they can benefit from the lower tax rate. Please like this video if you think we did a good job explaining this topic, and share the video with those who you think need help in understanding these tax changes. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such explainers.